If you're running Amazon ads and you're only using sponsored products, that means that majority of Amazon advertising is hidden away from you. If you're not having Amazon brand registry, you're only running 30% of the whole Amazon advertising. By the end of this video, you'll know what the brand registry is and what it unlocks for your Amazon advertising. So brand registry is an identity check, not a feature. That's Amazon identifying who you are and what you sell, not just being on the platform and resell other people's stuff. It's a tedious process. It requires a trademark or a pending one. It's a process out of the scope of PPC and what I'm teaching. So I recommend that you reach out to service providers specialized in brand registry because it's totally worth it, and I'm going to walk you through what it unlocks for you. And I cannot stress this enough. Without brand registry, if you run only sponsored product ads, you are leaving money on the table, literally. So some of the things, and this is not a complete list, what brand registry unlocks for you is you can run sponsored brand ads, you can run sponsored display, sponsored TV, you can use Amazon attribution, you can create your storefront, which is an amazing thing. Brand analytics, search query performance report, which is an absolute goldmine for PPC, Vine reviews, and more of it. Now, because we're gonna stick to PPC and advertising and what brand registry unlocks for you, we're gonna stick to only limited. I'm gonna show you what it means for you to actually have a storefront and how does it look in reality. So let me show you how does it look like. So let's say this is your brand and it's a classic product page where with the buy box, with product images, bullet points, and everything. If your potential customer is interested in your brand, they know that they can see all of your brand offering by clicking on the brand link over here. And I will show you how does it look like when you don't have a storefront. So let's see. When you click this, what you actually get is that Amazon simulates that somebody searched for your brand and then just shows the listings of your products, but not only your products, but your competitor ones. So let's highlight sponsored, and you can see that there are competitors showing on beside your products, even a sponsored brand video one. So these guys have brand registry, so they are able to run sponsored brand videos. So it's not a good thing. So all of these in yellow are sponsored ones, and you're basically losing this opportunity that when somebody was interested to see what your brand has to offer. So let's compare that to the brand who has a storefront. So once they clicked on a brand name, they will land on it's even like a small website. You can look at it that way. You have complete freedom to structure it the way your visitors would love it. So you can split it by category. You can put some bestsellers over there, or maybe if it's a holiday, if it's a Father's Day, you can have a dedicated page only for that. So it's an amazing thing for conversion and for helping people understand your brand and get to know your company and how you do things. Furthermore, you can have multiple sub pages. As I mentioned, this is for bestsellers. Then these guys have garage organizers, again, separate page, and you can drive your sponsored display and sponsored brand ads straight to garage organizers or garage wall hooks or all three of them, you name it. So this is just one portion of what brand registry unlocks for you. So let's get back to this. So there's Amazon attribution when you drive external traffic to Amazon. It's not perfect, but it can help you. Then sponsored TV, sponsored display, sponsored brands. These are very important to have in your sponsored ads because the more campaign types you run, the more people get to know your brand. You need to work on your awareness phase and then also consideration and purchase. And I'll talk about that in the future videos. So important takeaway here is that brand registry is not a feature that you like or don't like. It's an absolute must if you're serious about selling on Amazon and Amazon advertising. And it's definitely worth the hassle. See you in the next video.